Hello again, YouTube. This is Cinemagic with another bike check. Yeah. So at the front, we got RC bar ends, Colt Faith grips, Sunday Triumph bars in chrome, a Miraco stem that I got from my friend, stock fork, Sapient Kappa 2XLs. I got a giant 2.10 tire, Alienation rim with some Alienation spokes, and Quanda steel bearing hub with Primo axle bolts that go over 3/8 to 14 for the dropout millimeters. Forgot my headset. I got stock headset, all that. Got DK railed seat, kind of anals you. Got Sapient seat clamp. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, love them. Same Black Label cranks, just painted them. Same Black Label sprocket. Same Black Label, or not Black Label, KMC heavy duty chain, just painted it black. Letting it flake out so it's flaky black and yellow. Got Kenda Contact 1.95 with Black Label rim, Black Label spokes, Black Label hub with a 9-tooth driver. And the frame is a Sapient Kappa. Bottom brackets, Black Label. Hub sound. For the record, I am brakeless now. Yeah. Bye-bye.